Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the hat thoroughly. Feel the brim, press the crown, and locate stains or loose stitching. Once done, sort tools by task and lay the hat flat on a towel. This prevents distortion. If fabric is dirty, spot clean with cold water and mild soap before repairs. For fragile fibers, skip soaking. Make sure to test glue on a hidden seam. Begin with the first small stitch on any loose seam so the structure is secure for later reshaping. Once seams are stabilized, focus on structural repairs. You will sew split seams using a backstitch for strength, keeping stitches small and tight so they remain invisible. For a floppy brim, add thin interfacing or glue a supportive underlay. Press gently to avoid warping. When patching holes, work from the inside and trim edges, then affix a matching fabric patch or fusible interfacing and stitch around the perimeter. Make sure to keep tension, even so the hat retains its original shape. You finish by restoring the hat's shape. Steam or lightly iron on low heat through a protective cloth, molding the crown and brim with your hands to the desired curve. Once cooled, replace trim elements like bands or buttons using small stitches or snaps, ensuring symmetry. Brush the fabric to lift fibers and remove lint. Allow adhesives and reshaped areas to cure for 24 hours. If fit or shape feels off, tighten internal seams slightly. That single tweak often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.